Well, hello everyone, and happy holidays to you. This is Lonnie, and it is Christmas Eve, and the post office is open today. I didn't change my handling time, so we have some orders to get out today. Uh, Shopping was a little slow on eBay over the weekend for sure, but I think I've got like 18 things to pull. First up is this Scarface figurine, and I got $9.99 plus shipping for that. And this is a video game. This is on my second account, by the way. $2.99 plus shipping. Dead Island for PS3. Feedback builder kind of thing. Next up is a movie. This is Daimajin complete collection on DVD. $14.99 plus shipping on top for that. And this is a box full of trading cards, non-sports trading cards, movies and cartoons and stuff like that. I got $28.49 plus shipping on top for this. Really good sale. I need to sell all of my little trading cards like this, all the sets. That was an awesome sale. This is, got to go to the box here, but this next item is a transfer pack for a Pokemon game that you use between Game Boy and the N64. These are really cheap. I got $4.74 plus shipping on top for this one. Lots of feedback builders on this account. This next thing is an Atari 2600 game. It is Phoenix. Actually, one I've never played. $2.84 plus shipping on top for that little game. Just a little feedback builder that I listed when the account was brand new. Here is Hitman HD Trilogy for the PS3. This one has some pretty decent value once I get to it. $18.04 plus shipping on top. It sold within a couple of days, so that was a pretty nice sale. Another game. This is for N64, Aero Fighters Assault. I got $4.74 for this game, plus shipping on top, of course. And yeah, this is another feedback builder. And once I get this account up to about 100, which is going to take a little while because they aren't leaving very much feedback, then I'll stop listing stuff like this. I'll bundle it again. Let's see, what am I reaching for here? Oh, these are two cables for their charge and play cables for Xbox 360. I got $9.49 plus shipping on top for the pair of cables. Next up is a car manual. This is going to take me a minute to find, I think. This is a 1986 2.2 liter turbo, not that it matters, drivability test procedure manual. I got all these little books in one big lot for like, golly, what did I pay for that? Like $10 for all of them. And I have sold just a ton of books out of this lot. So doing really well. This particular one, I got $9.99 plus shipping on top for it. And yep, that's it right there, Lonnie. You can go ahead and pack that away. I think I'm not 100% sure that that's the right one at this point. But yeah, it was. Next up is a Bianchi competition nylon duty belt. I think it's for cops. I'm not positive though. Took an offer, $10 plus shipping on top. I got this from from the closeout of a gun store. So I'm almost at the end of that inventory. Yeah, not $10 plus shipping on top. Next is some expired ink, HP 95 tricolor. That's getting me looking over the edge. I've got two that look almost the exact same, so I'm checking the model number. That's not the right one. This is HP 95. It doesn't sell for a lot. It's expired. I guarantee it'll work though. $6.99 plus shipping on top for that. Next is a GameCube controller, and these do really well. $22.99 plus shipping on top for that one. Those do well because they can be used with the GameCube or Wii's that are compatible with GameCube. That was a pair of jeans for $14.99 plus shipping on top. Those are on sale, by the way. This next thing is really cool. It's an aluminum briefcase. The lead Dungeons and Dragons figurines that I've been selling a lot of. They came packaged in this case. So this was just the container for something else I bought. I got $34.99 plus shipping on top for it. And it's a no-name case, generic. Next up is one of those autograph cards from a sci-fi movie. And this is Adrienne Palicki. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know anything about the show Smallville, but I remember her from Friday Night Lights. And that's I'm assuming that's probably some of the reason it was worth a little more than a lot of the others. $35 plus shipping on top. Okay, now I have to find a Crow from the movie Crow set of cards. $374 plus shipping on top. Those are the cards that I need to bundle and sell like I did those other decks earlier. That's the better way to do it. I'm pulling out this box. It has a lot of like card games in it. I've got some Monty Pythons and stuff like that. But what I'm going for here is Aliens versus Predator. I sold 2 decks. I sold one for $17.99 plus shipping. And then the other one, which I'll show here, I sold for $19.99. And I told the guy I would do free shipping on this deck since he bought the first deck. So $17.99 and $19.99 plus 3 something shipping on top. That was a really good sale. All right, this is pretty neat. This is an arcade stick for Super Nintendo, SNES. I got $22 plus shipping on top. I actually tested it out yesterday. And one more thing, we have a Lance jar going out. It's actually sold early this morning. $99.99 plus shipping on top. It's going to Alabama. And yeah, that was a really good sale for me. I've got what, 1, 2, 3. I've got 4 of these total, 2 metal tops, 2 glass tops. So that was a good sale. And I want to wish happy holidays to everyone. And I will see y'all again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.